thing you need to do is you have to open any browser from your Android phone, and then you have to open Facebook, and here you have to provide the login credentials of your disabled Facebook account. Now we'll provide the password and we'll click on login, and then here you will see this kind of notice: your account has been disabled. So you don't have to close this tab, you have to keep this tab and you have to open a new tab. Now here you have to open google.com, type here accessing and downloading. Click on search. Here you will see two links. You have to click on the first one and you will reach here. Here you will see the information: accessing and downloading your Facebook information. Here Facebook will ask you what best describes your issue. You have to select the second option, account access troubleshooting, and then you have to click on next. Now here you will see the next question: how can we help you with your account? You have to select the second option, my account has been disabled. Click on next, and here you will see, if you think your account was disabled by mistake, please submit an appeal. You have to click on submit an appeal. Now you have to scroll down. Here you will see use this form to request a review. You have to click on it, and then here this form will open. Now you have to fill up this form. Here in the first tab, login email address or mobile number. Here you have to provide your email address or phone number that was associated with your account. In the next tab, you have to provide your display name. Now you have to provide your ID card copy. You can provide your national ID card copy or you can provide your passport copy. If you don't have the passport copy, you can attach any of your utility bill. It can be electricity bill, telephone bill. Click on choose file. So once you will attach the file, then you have to click on send tab, and your information will be submitted to Facebook team. Now you have to follow the next step. You have to open your Gmail, the same Gmail. Here in to section, you have to write down this email. In subject, you have to write down my account was disabled. Here compose email, here you have to write down this stuff. At the end, you have to provide your display name. And you have to click on Send tab. Here you can see sending, sent. Now we'll go to sent items. And here you can see the email is successfully submitted. If your email is not in sent items, then you have to check the email address. After sending the email, you have to wait for at least 7 to 10 days. And then Facebook team will send an email.
A few moments later.
So after 8 to 10 days, you will receive an email from Facebook side. So we have already received the email and we will show you the email. Here you can see we have received the email from Facebook side, restored disabled Facebook account. Now I will open this email and show you the details. And here you can see the summary of the email, restored disabled Facebook account. Sorry for the inconvenience. Hi Sumitra, your Facebook account has been restored. Upon reviewing your account, we did not found any activity against our community guidelines. That means Facebook has restored this account. Now we'll try to log in and show you the result. We'll open Google Chrome browser and we'll provide the login credentials. Now we'll provide the password also. And we'll click on login. And here you can see we are successfully logged in. So in the same way, you can also recover your disabled Facebook account. If you still have any kind of question, comment below in the comment section. We'll answer all of your queries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.